Today is February the 7th, 2019. Just want to give you a quick update of what's going on at my house. So the snow is to there. It's probably about 18 inches of snow on the lawn right here. While some of you guys are starting to get spring fever, I'm still dealing with cold temperatures. It's right around freezing here, 32 degrees. It's actually kind of rain, sleet going on right now. I don't expect to see the lawn until about mid-March, and I have not seen the lawn since Thanksgiving. I'm gonna show you guys what I've got going on here. Have not done a lot since I last put up a video about this because it's slow going. So here you can see the dormitory shed right here. Windows here, windows there, the door right in the center, and a transom window above the door. Coming inside the shed here, it's a big fat mess in here, but you can see a doorway over there. Got a transom window or a window up there, and then turning to this side, I've got my overhead garage door there. It's an 8080, and then I'm gonna have a window up there. So you can see there's gonna be lots of light coming in. I didn't want to cut out the windows from the Tyvek home ramp. I did not want to do that, but the wind was tearing the Tyvek off the building or off the wall, and it was ripping it, so I decided to just cut the windows in. I did get a bid for the windows. These are custom sized windows, 52 by 32 here, and the first bid that I got back was $3,400. And so those were quite expensive. That's for a white vinyl window. We've got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 windows. And I was kind of floored when I saw that price. I still have to buy the overhead door that goes there. This thing is going to look really sweet. I've put a lot of thought into the exterior siding, how it's gonna look. And I'm looking forward to showing you how that works, but it's kind of going slow. I am kind of at a standstill of what it can do. I really need to get the windows in next, but as soon as I order them, it's gonna take about 2 weeks or 2 or 3 weeks to get them. So that is gonna be a little while, and that's the next thing that I really need to do. I did put the Tyvek on since the last time we talked. I did cut the windows out since the last time we talked. I did not film that because it was very dark and cold, and so I did not film it because it was very, very dark. You can see the shed there, over there. You can kind of tell what it's going to look like with the windows on the top, windows down the center. It's just got quite the look. I'm going for a contemporary, modern look, and I think you guys are going to be excited. It probably won't be into summer until I can get to finishing the shed, but yeah, siding, probably not gonna finish the interior of the shed. There goes my father-in-law there. What a fantastic man. I love that man. All right, so one of the next things I'm gotta get going is my dahlia tubers. I gotta get those planted, and I've gotta get those started because I wanna propagate them, get them going. So here are my dahlia tubers in here. You can see here, this is pretty much about the first look at them. Lots of tubers in here. They've been in storage, and they kind of look like, some of them have grown a little bit. This is pretty much my first look at these. Oh my gosh, that's crazy, crazy stuff. Oh, look at that. I need to get these things planted up. You can see here, starting to grow a little bit. They've been in the dark and in the cool crawl space in like a root cellar, so I'm not sure why they look like that, but it's okay. I'm gonna plant them up and try getting these things going. Hopefully I'm gonna do that tonight, if not tomorrow. So I do have some mail here that people have sent me. My contact info is down below, and people send me mail. I went and got all these letters here. I'm pretty sure these are all sticker swaps. I've been sending out my stickers, and they've been sending stickers in return. I'm gonna open up these boxes, and we're gonna see what's inside there. This one is quite literally a pisser, because somebody says Connor Safety Third Ward. That is the biggest bunch of crap I've ever heard. Not sure what's in here, but it's probably something safety related. And let's open it up and see what we got. So if you want to send me stuff to give away to other people, or if you guys want to send me stuff to show, I'll show it. So looks to me like it's some safety glasses here. These look like they're Nemesis brand, which I actually really like these Nemesis brand. Okay. Look at that! Would you look at that? How sweet is that? So this thing's pretty awesome. This is a little note from the person who sent the safety glasses, and these are already starting to fog up. So it says, "Dear Lawn Rebel, don't be a fool. Metal in your eye is not very cool. So here are some safeties to protect your eyes and protect you from the comments from all these guys." From the Lawn Tools.
Don't kid yourself, folks. Don't kid yourself, folks. Don't kid yourself, folks. Now this is not a pisser offer. I'm gonna tell you, that warm weather weed, get rid of that Bermuda. Jeremy of the Greener Lawn. Don't kid yourself.
I want to say thank you to Dr. Netzel for sending those. Jordan Netzel, he is the guy on the Lawn Tools channel. I'll link that below. The funny thing about him is he is an obstetrician, or the optometrist. He's an optometrist, and he diagnoses and looks at people's eyes every day. So, I mean, I think we can all see what we got going on there. I also have all these other letters here. I'm going to open these up, and we're going to see exactly what is in there. I'm assuming they're all stickers. Oh, look at that. So this one comes with a Kubota keychain. Cool. Huntsville Tractor and Equipment. Thank you for your business, Huntsville Tractor and Equipment. Aaron Wickham sent this, and then he sent a canned card here. But he's got the Turf Tamer. So this is the Turf Tamer. He sent a couple keychains with that. So thank you very much. Aaron, thank you. So got all these envelopes opened up, and let's go through them. So this one's from Mowit Mulchit. His name is, I don't know. He's proudly owned and operated by local firefighter. This is Aaron's Lawn Maintenance. He says, thanks for your support. And here's his sticker. Thank you, Aaron. Love this guy, RVA Lawn Love. If you guys haven't seen his channel, go check it out. It says, Connor, hope you guys are doing well. The he shed is going to be awesome. Thanks for the sticker swap. Peace, Eric. So thank you, Eric, from RVA Lawn Love. We've got this guy here from Fescue Freddy. He sent these two stickers here, this one and this one. Thank you for the sticker swap. Love your channel and content. The bluegrass is looking good. I really enjoyed the level video you did on your lawn. Couldn't see how you were going to get it all in there. I also like some of the more recent content, non-lawn projects, like the paver project and the shed. It's interesting to see the different building techniques across the country. I work with a custom home builder, not building homes with him. I did build my garage, though. It was a fun project. So yes, I am a home builder. I do work for a home builder. We build custom second homes for people, and I am in construction every day, and that is what I do for work. So thank you very much, Fescue Freddy. Don't know his first name. Let's see what else we got here. This one came from Taylor Wilkie. Says, Mr. Ward, thanks for the sticker swap. Keep on inspiring the YouTubes. Happy mowing, Taylor. So he sends this one, Sugarland Bermuda. Cool, I like this one a lot. That one's cool. Let's see what else we got here. And one more. This comes from Bermuda Dude Lawn Care. And here is his sticker right here. He says, what can I say? You're pretty good on the YouTubes. I think it's fantastic that I found your page about 1.5 years ago. That parking area with the pavers came out awesome, and the lawn maintenance videos are cool as well. Here's a little sticker you can slap anywhere. I think it would look real nice on the triplex, but that's just my opinion. Keep on mowing, and I'll see you around. So that's Derek Gordon. He's the owner and operator of Bermuda Dude Lawn Care. So I just want to thank you guys for sending the stuff. Like I said, if any of you guys want to send stuff to me, I have a P.O. box. It's listed below. If you want to send me products, I will give those away on my channel. Not necessarily going to hype a bunch of products, but I do like doing giveaways. And if people want to give away some of their products, let's do some giveaways. I love doing a good giveaway. That Gorilla Cart, let's do another one of those Gorilla Cart. If you're watching, let's do another one of those Gorilla Cart giveaways. Those were awesome. And if they don't want to do that again, I think maybe I'll do that. So leave your comment below and we'll get it done. But that's just a quick update of what I've got going on at my house. Really appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. Thanks for the safety glasses, the lawn tools. Go check out his channel. I see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Instead of dealing with my dahlia tubers, I actually tore my bumper off my truck. You can see right there, the bumper is off. And I took it all apart. There's the bumper there. There's more parts and pieces. I had an issue with a little run-in with a post. So I got, I'm going to slap a new bumper on there and make quick work of that. So don't stand there and say that I can't do it, because I'm going to do it. And I just got it done. So I had a little bit of a bumper issue right there. You can see kind of got bent. Just kind of ran into a little bit of a post job, so I need to fix that up. Just got to get a new one of these and then harvest all the old parts. Hopefully I should have that fixed up by tomorrow. So anyways, I need to work on my dahlias. Hopefully I can get that done tomorrow. I cannot put that off any longer. Anyways, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll party it up next time. See ya.
Okay,
go!
Okay, go!
Okay, that's good enough. We got it.
What are you done?
Oh.
You launched it!
Oh, it hit the branch.
What the
It
heck
hit
did
me.
you just launch? Did you just launch a rock?
I launched a rock.
Don't launch rocks when people are standing here.
You said go.
He launched a rock when he wasn't supposed to.